How to use SemRush in 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about SemRush, and I'm going to be briefly discussing about all its features and giving you a brief overview of this website. So let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to semrush.com, and over here what I want you guys to do is click on get free trial. So click on get free trial and we'll be able to sign up. And once we do that, we just simply have to create an account. We can do that by clicking on continue with Google, or you can do that by simply entering in your email and password and clicking on create your account. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue with Google because I think that is more easier and it saves a lot of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and once you have done that, they're basically going to ask you for your name and your number. So go ahead and provide them with your name and number, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So once you've done that, they're basically going to ask you for a subscription fee over here. So over here, you just simply have to enter in your credit card number, its expiration dates and stuff like that. And you have to enter in your name, phone number, business name, and other standard information as well. If you're worried that they're going to take a small percentage of fee from your account, then you don't have to worry, because as we can see over here in the receipt summary, the purchase summary or receipt, our total charge is $0. That's because we're on a 7-day free trial, and we can use SemRush for about 7 days as well. And this trial right before it ends, so you don't have to worry about it. It doesn't cost us anything. We're just providing our card information over here so that we can have access to its amazing tools. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter these details, and I will catch you guys in the next step. So now we see that our payment has been successful, and we can now start using SemRush. So go ahead and click on start using SemRush. And over here, they're basically going to ask you a few questions. They're basically asking you to customize your workflow. So they're happy to have you, and now you have to describe you or your company. So whether it's an in-house production or an agency, consultant or freelancer, consultant/freelancer, startup or others. So I'm going to go ahead and click on in-house, and next they're going to ask you how long have you been working with SEO. I'm going to click on less than 6 months. And one last thing, what are your areas of interest? So I'm interested in social media and content marketing, and click on continue. So once you've done signing up, this is how the website will look like. And over here, these are the options that we selected. So over here we have SEO, we have local SEO, we have advertising, we have social media, we have content marketing, competitive research, and agency solutions. So this is our dashboard, and over here we have a lot of things going on over here. So down here we have our domain analytics. Basically, we can see changes in key organic and paid traffic metric and track the authority score of your and your competitors' domain. So basically, if you enter in a domain, you can see the competition about your domains and how your domain is better or worse than your competitor. And then down below you have your projects. Over here you can add in projects and create new projects and do basically anything that you want with it. So here's what you'll find inside a project. Basically, you'll have 12 tools to manage your SEO, PPC, social media, content marketing activities related to one specific website. Then you will have powerful algorithms to set yourself apart from your competitors, and then you will have a wide variety of insightful third-party data, including information from your Google Analytics and Search Console accounts and social networks and live SERP data and more. And then you will have a sharing feature that makes collaborations between agencies and clients as well as team members super easy. So which is very, very amazing. So these were the main things on the dashboard. Now let's move on to the left side where we have SEO. So first let's click on SEO, and over here we will have a lot of different options. Now I won't be going over every single one of them because that will take a lot of time. So I'm gonna go over the main ones that make the sense most and that you need to know the first of all, and which are the most important one of them all. So first, when we come over here on SEO, click on SEO Dashboard, and over here you will have 5 main things. You will have competitive research, you will have keyword research, you have link building, and rank tracking and on-page and tech SEOs. So for competitive research, you will have domain overviews, which will give you a bird's eye of your competitors' SEO strategy. And then you will have traffic analytics, where you can identify your competitors' main traffic resources. Then you will have organic research, where you can analyze your main competitors in organic results and explore their most successful strategies. Then you will have keyword gaps. Basically, you'll uncover low-hanging fruits from skyrockets. Basically, you'll find keywords that are targeted by your competitors but not you, and you can compare up to 5 domains in terms of unique common keywords. And then you will have the backlink gaps, which basically means that you can identify the link building opportunities you're missing, where you can go through keyword analysis. And then you will have keyword magic tool, keyword, and which basically means is that it will help you to find keywords and which ones are better and which ones are worst. And then you will have keyword difficulty, which estimates how difficult it is to rank one of your target's keywords. So the lower it is, the better it is, basically what that means. Then you will have organic traffic insights and backlink analytics and link building tools, position tracking, and a lot more. I could go on and on about this, but I think now you get the idea of how this basically works. So this is the main part of SEO, and here you'll be able to find keywords that can help you improve your business. So let's just go ahead and search for a keyword. Let's just take knives, for example. And if we search for knives, this is all the keywords that pop up. So as you can see, we have this keyword right here, which is Kutco knives. It has 60,000 volume, which is the average number of monthly searches for a given keyword for a 12-month period time. And then you have trend. Now over here, this shows you a tiny little graph where it basically says that it was up and then it went down, then it went up again and down again. It's basically showing you how this keyword goes up and down and how if it is stable or not. Then you have the keyword difficulty, the KD percentage. Now this keyword is up at 67%, which means that it is very difficult to rank and stuff like that. So we don't have to use this keyword. Then this is CPC, so costs per click. So this one has 0.37. So if we come over here, basically the average price in an advertiser's pay for a user's click on an ad triggered by a given period. So the CPC needs to be higher, but that basically means is that average price in advertisers pay for a user's click on an ad triggered by a given keyword, Google Ads. Basically what that means is that if you have an advertiser and you have this keyword in the ad and anyone clicks on this keyword, because then the advertiser will pay you CPC, which means click cost per dollar, which is, as you can see over here, for this one it's 0.37. For this one is almost $2. Forked over knives, so which I think is very high price. I mean, considering that 49,000 people search for it on an average day, and it has almost 11.4 million results in the last week. Even if half of those people just simply clicked on an ad, you'll be making a lot of money if you have this keyword, guys. But it's very hard to rank, so it won't be as profitable as all the other ones. So keep that in mind, guys. So that is it for the keyword magic tool. And then you have social media, and over here you have social media dashboard, social media poster, social media tracker, and then ads. Now this one is a new option, that's why it's in beta form. So let's just go ahead and click on social media tracker, and over here this is going to tell you the insights about your social media tracking. So track competitors. Over here you can track competitors, you can learn from your competitors' success and fails, compare yourself with your competitors and see what content competitors are posting and stuff like that. Basically start getting better and having more traction to your social media accounts as well. So the next thing, we have content marketing. Now this is also pretty important, because if you don't have a really good content marketing team, then your ads are going to be lame and no one's going to click on it and they won't be catchy. And when your advertisement is bad, your ads are bad, your sales are bad, and if your sales are bad, then your company is bad, and it goes downhill. So I think this is one of the most important things in starting a company. So that is all the things that I wanted to show you guys and tell you guys about SemRush, all the important stuff. This was a brief overview of this website. If I really went in depth, this would be a 30 to 40 minute long video, and we all don't have the time to make or watch that long of a video. So before ending it, so let me just show you the pricings and plans and stuff like that. So over here we have the pro plan, which is $119 per month. Then we have the guru plan, which is $230 a month. And then we have the business. Now I would say that if you're really serious about your business, and if you want all the things that I talked about in this video, then I would recommend going for the guru version, because it gives you more options and it gives you more availability and stuff like that. So as you can see, you have content marketing platforms. Over here it's 0 stars. For reporting it's 1 star. Project features it's 2. Domain it's 3, and keyword is 2. But if you go for the guru plan, you'll have all these different options over here. So this is the plan where I'm currently at, and it's been a very helpful as well. But I don't think business plan is going to be that helpful, because it's just 1 star less than this one. I would recommend the guru because it's one of the best deals that you can get from SemRush. So that was it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And if you have any other questions about this video, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Now, having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.